Vice President Chiwenga, a former military general who played a pivotal role in the 2017 events that brought Mnangagwa to power, has not openly opposed Cap 3. However, his recent public utterances have been laden with thinly veiled criticism and allegorical warnings, interpreted by many as direct challenges to the proposed constitutional changes. His speeches have consistently invoked themes of historical fidelity, democratic principles, and divine justice, often contrasting sharply with the political trajectory being pursued by the Mnangagwa camp. Zanabina Mashkubranj watches the coded warnings of Vice President Chiwenga. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Mobile Functions. One of the most notable instances occurred in April 2026 when Chiwenga delivered a sermon at a Roman Catholic gathering in Mrewa. He recounted the biblical story of King Hezekiah, who, facing imminent death, pleaded with God for more years to live. Chiwenga pointedly remarked, Hezekiah in the Bible never asked for more years to do, but to live. This sermon was widely interpreted as an allegorical warning against attempts to extend political power through constitutional amendments, sparking considerable debate and concern within political circles and among the populace. Further reinforcing his stance, Chiwenga, speaking at the burial of Calista Chimene in Honde Valley, urged Zimbabweans not to lose sight of their history. He cautioned against complacency and overconfidence, stating, "Let sleep not make us forget where we are coming from, because the future is unknown. Let us never think that we can know everything better than God." He also used a vivid metaphor to warn against actions detached from wisdom and truth. "We will be beating a drum with an axe while sitting on a spear. Nothing will come out of that. Let us always stand with the truth. God will reward us." These remarks, delivered with a solemn tone, underscored his belief in adhering to foundational principles and divine guidance in national leadership. Doma developments and obliged to Pangwana and Chiwenga. In the comment section, videos of a more clip of sort of these developments. So subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.